How to free up disk space in Windows 10. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can free up disk space in Windows 10. So without any delay, let's start with the process on how we can do so. But before that, don't forget to hit the like, share and subscribe icon. So if you're wondering how you can free up your disk space on your Windows 10, these are the process you may follow in order to do so. So in order to do that, you just need to head over to the search bar and type in storage settings on the search bar of your Windows. Just go over there and open up your storage settings onto your Windows. Just open it up. And after it is opened up, what you're going to do is look up to the storage. So here you're going to clear up the unnecessary files, for example, the temporary files. Here you can see below apps and features. You're going to look up to the temporary files. Right now it is not reloaded onto my PC, but if it is loaded, you'll be finding clear up or delete option here. You're just going to delete off those unnecessary files from your laptop or your PC. After that is done, after you have done clearing up that, you may also clear up other unnecessary apps and features that you may not be using, like different apps and features or different other folders available that maybe not be useful to you. You may just delete those unnecessary apps and you may just clear up your local disk. So that's how you basically clear up your disk space in Windows 10. So I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.